Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error BIOS legacy boot of UEFI-Only media in boot error problem. Error BIOS legacy boot of UEFI-Only media is a common issue that happens when you boot your Windows PC from the created bootable USB drive by Rufus. How to fix it if you run into it. However, when booting your system from this bootable USB drive, you may fail and see a message saying error BIOS legacy boot of UEFI-Only media on the computer screen. This error happens if the USB drive is created with the GPT partition scheme. The screen tells you that the drive can boot in UEFI mode only, but you are trying to boot it in BIOS legacy mode. Fix this problem. Recreate a bootable USB drive with MBR partition scheme. Step 1. Launch Rufus and connect a USB drive to the computer. Rufus will automatically detect your USB drive. In the boot selection section, click the select button to choose the ISO file you want to use. Then, navigate to the location of your ISO file and select it. Configure Rufus settings. Choose MBR as the partition scheme and set BIOS or UEFI CSM in target system. Then, configure other options, click Start, Customize Windows installation, and click OK. After some time, you get the bootable USB drive. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Confirm to proceed. Wait for Rufus to complete the process. This may take several minutes. Once Rufus has finished, you will see a ready status. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Your bootable USB drive is now ready to be used for installing or repairing your operating system. Restart your computer and press the F2 button repeatedly until the BIOS setup menu appears. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the boot tab. Change the boot order so that the USB drive is the first boot device after that. Save the BIOS settings. Press F10 key on your keyboard. Congratulations, you have done it. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.